Alright, hi you guys, I'm Rose. I'm coming to do a timeless reading. So whenever you guys see this and it connects with you, then obviously the video is calling towards you. So I'm going to start off by clearing the energy. I already pulled some cards already for you, and I'm going to pull some more just to give some clarity. I also got a few channel messages already. So throughout this video, I will be telling you guys about it. Spirit, cleanse the energy for the collective. Cleanse the energy for the collective. Please give me clear, honest communication, clear, honest messages, and any extra messages you want to tell me. Let me know. I hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to smile. You know, don't forget to go outside, get you in some nature. Yeah. The first card I pulled is somebody has an ass tattoo. Their butt tattoo is pretty significant. Okay, regardless if it's you, divine feminine, or is the divine masculine, however way it is, somebody's butt tattoo is very significant. Or somebody likes your butt tattoo, or you just probably just got a butt tattoo. However it resonates. Okay. Something happened in your when you were little, when you were a child. Something happened regarding you and your parents. Take it however it resonates. The Most High saw what was happening when you were a child, saw what your parents and your family members were doing to you, and he did not like it at all. He did not like it. Okay, so if you're receiving blessings or abundance now, like if you're just seeing like a whole bunch of abundance and everything like that coming out of nowhere, it's because he's rewarding you and giving you back whatever that was taken from you. Yeah, because he plays fair. So whatever you went through, they were very upset about what was going on, and they saw it. So don't think like whatever you went through, you know, you had to hide it or whatever like that, because Most High saw it. And while they were supposed to be your parents, while there was supposed to be your family, they chose to be, you know, karmic family, karmic parents instead. Okay, trying to trauma bond you. Okay. And they just did it off of jealousy, like, because they hated they hated that you were very intelligent at a very young age. Yeah, exactly. Oop, okay. Oh, okay. Got it. What? All right. Okay. I got it. I understand. Yeah, the Most High says don't give up, because whatever that was taken from you, whatever you went through, the Most High is about to reward you, okay? Give you back what was taken, give you back everything, you know? Somebody's name can be Johnny, Jordan, Jordell, Judith. Or you probably know somebody named Johnny, Jordan, Jordell, Judith. I see Jocelyn. Or maybe somebody in your family name is that. Okay. Keep going. Okay. Yeah. Wow. James, Jane, Jimmy, Jonathan. Either way, you have a very big support. You have a very big support system. You like in the spiritual realm. You have a very big support system in the spiritual realm. You have a lot of ancestors protecting you. You have a lot of spirit guides protecting you because of what you went through. And a lot of the stuff that you went through, they were actually going to do way worse than what you went through. And the Most High was protecting you through a lot of stuff and was hiding you from a lot of stuff. Even he's saying that you went through so much stuff that you had to like force yourself to forget, or the Most High like made you forget a lot of the stuff because you just went through so much stuff as a little as a young kid, okay? Like you've seen so much stuff as a young kid. And I totally get that. Like I've been through a lot of stuff as a young kid too, so I know how that feels, which is probably why you're so like mature now, and have a lot of wisdom now because of what you've been through. Okay.